waking up, Shivangi Shukla, getting you the latest coming in. Getting some back-to-back updates as the JPC's report on the Waqf Amendment Bill is yet to be tabled in the Parliament today itself. The Congress has reacted to it, calling it an attack on rights provided to minorities in the Constitution. Congress MP Imran Masood says that the Waqf Bill is an example of suppressing the rights of minorities, alleging that the JPC did not include the opposition's dissent notes. Back-to-back updates coming here, Republic TV viewers, and we are tracking the story very, very closely. JPC report on Waqf bill to be tabled in Lok Sabha today itself. And as we count down, I repeat, as we count down to that update, we will tell you that there has been a reaction coming in as we speak. But the Congress has gone ahead and slammed this move which is being made. So this is what we're learning of right now, Republic TV viewers. And this is coming right at the backdrop of that JPC report, which will be tabled. Let's go ahead and play out the reaction.
देखिए, वक्फ बिल जो है अब टेबल किया जा रहा है, ये पूरी तरीके से कानून का जो हमारे संविधान के अंदर हमें दिए हुए अधिकार हैं उनके ऊपर कुठाराघात है। और हमने बार बार पहले भी कहा और अभी भी कह रहे हैं, इतिहास के अंदर ये काले अक्षरों के अंदर लिखा जाएगा कि देश के अंदर रहने वाले अल्पसंख्यकों के अधिकारों को किस तरीके से कुचला जा सकता है। इसकी अगर प्रकाष्ठा देखनी है तो वक्फ है जो बिल ला रहे हैं, ये कानून जो बनाने जा रहे हैं, इसको देख लीजिए।
As the uproar continues of the JPC report, JPC chairman Jagdambika Pal reacted to the issue, clearing the committee's stand. Let's listen in.
6 महीने पूर्व भारत सरकार के संसदीय कार्य और अल्पसंख्यक मंत्री श्री किरण रिजिजू जी ने जब इस बिल पे अमेंडमेंट लेकर के आई थी सरकार, तो उन्होंने स्वयं अध्यक्ष जी से आग्रह किया था कि इस पे डिटेल डिस्कशंस और डेलिब्रेशंस के लिए, कि ये देश का एक ज्वलंत मुद्दा है, इसलिए इस पे और डिटेल डिस्कशन हो सके स्टेक होल्डर्स के साथ, सभी राज्यों के साथ, तो इसको जॉइंट पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी का गठन कर दें। और उन्होंने स्पीकर साहब ने इसका गठन किया। हमको विंटर में इसकी रिपोर्ट देनी थी, लेकिन उस समय तक हमने केवल साउथ के स्टेट्स का दौरा किया था। तो मैंने आग्रह किया था श्री ओम बिरला जी से, उन्होंने बजट सेशन तक इसको बढ़ा दिया था, इस जेपीसी के कार्यकाल। आज फाइनली अब जेपीसी ने पूरे 6 महीने में बैठकें करके पूरे देश के राज्यों में टूर करके हमने रिपोर्ट प्रस्तुत की है। उस रिपोर्ट्स में जो हमारे सभी सदस्य हैं, जब हमने फाइनली रिपोर्ट तैयार किया तो क्लॉज बाय क्लॉज पे हमने अमेंडमेंट मांगा था, और उसमें हमने उन अमेंडमेंट्स पे सभी पे एक क्लॉज बाय क्लॉज के अमेंडमेंट्स पे वोट कराया था, और जो मेजॉरिटी से था उसको अमेंडमेंट्स को हमने अडॉप्ट किया, और जो माइनॉरिटी में था उसको टर्न डाउन किया। तो इस तरह से 14 क्लॉजेज में 25 अमेंडमेंट्स हमारे अडॉप्ट हुए हैं।
All right, let's go straight across to my colleague joining us. Riyanka joining us live from New Delhi. Riyanka, you know, we're waiting for that report. This is a report on the Waqf bill, which is listed for presentation in the Lok Sabha today. Now, we have seen how the opposition and the Congress has, in the past as well, and today, slammed this report time and again. If you could take our viewers through the latest, and what can we expect? When will this report on the Waqf bill be tabled in the Lok Sabha?
Well, Shivangi, the report which was being prepared by the Joint Parliamentary Committee, in the Waqf Amendment Bill, in fact, will be tabled today in the Lok Sabha. And, this was the last presented to Speaker Om Birla back on 30th of January. And on that note, we have seen that Jagdambika Pal, who is the chairman of the JPC, has said that nearly 25 amendments have been taken into consideration. And they have in fact put in 6 months. The JPC was formed 6 months back, and during the last 6 months there was a lot of discussions and deliberations with several stakeholders, especially from the board of the Waqf, the Muslim community as well. There were several officials representing the same. The JPC had in fact toured several areas, after which they have in fact taken in 25 of these amendments. And but what we see on the other hand, the opposition opposition continues to say that the opposition's dissent notes were not taken into consideration. But as a version of the JPC chairman, the dissent notes have been included in the report itself, which will be given to the stakeholders and which will be in fact presented in the Lok Sabha today. So we have to wait and see what happens next, because there has been a lot of chaos when it comes to the opposition, who has been saying that this particular bill is going to be attacking the rights of the minorities. But on the other hand, the centre very much focused on the fact that this change is required, a proper measured structure of the Waqf is required. So there will be this step taken today in the Parliament, in the Lok Sabha, when the report will be presented.
Right. Right. Also take our viewers through, all that we have seen. We have seen statements coming in from the opposition and from the BJP-led NDA. We have seen that a lot of amendments were approved as well. We have seen a lot of debate and discussion on this report, which will be tabled. If you could take our viewers through a little summary of what we have seen in the past and what we can expect today as the report, the JPC report on the Waqf bill will be tabled.
See, earlier we have seen a lot of opposition from the side of the India Alliance leaders, especially from the side of Asauddin Owaisi, to be in particular, who has raised several issues. In fact, in his statement in the Lok Sabha previously, he said that it is going to be an attack on the minorities. On the other hand, he also said several other important points which, somehow solidified that the AIMIM chief is not going to be given in 1 inch of the land or the mosque, as he says, of the Waqf property. So there is already a tension amongst the opposition which is underway, and we have to see whether or not the tabling of this report by the JPC happens smoothly, because the opposition is already ready to corner the government regarding the Waqf amendment bill. And once the report is being tabled today in the Lok Sabha, we may expect that there will be some sloganeering or an obstruction in the proceedings. So that is something that we need to wait and see. In fact, in the past also, when there were talks regarding this very bill, there were in fact many of these opposition leaders had raised their voice and slogans were raised. So we have to wait and see what happens next on this regard, Shivangi.